Newton's first law of motion. Definition. Newton's first law of motion, also called the law of inertia, states that an object at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion continues in motion with constant speed and direction unless acted upon by an external force. Context. This law highlights inertia, the tendency of objects to resist changes in their state of motion. Example. A soccer ball resting on the ground remains still until kicked. Once kicked, it continues rolling until friction or another force stops it. Friction and forces stop motion. Summary. Newton's first law explains why objects resist changes in motion and shows how forces are required to start, stop, or alter movement. Thanks for watching. Remember, inertia governs the motion of everything around you.